If you're looking at homes for sale in Locust Grove, Georgia, you probably noticed that there's a lot of new construction homes. That's why in this video and over the next few videos, you will learn insider information about buying a home in Henry County's hidden gem, Locust Grove, Georgia. In case we haven't met, I'm Tamia, the new construction queen, your go-to real estate agent for all things new construction homes for sale in Locust Grove, Georgia, and the builder incentives. Today, I'm taking you inside of a new community in Locust Grove that has brand new 4 and 5 bedroom homes, smart features, and the best prices and buyer incentives. Let's explore what makes this community special and why buyers just like you are paying close attention. Before we look at the homes, here's 5 reasons why these homes for sale in Locust Grove, Georgia stand out. Number 1, starting price is going to be in the 350s and all of them are under 400K, which means we have estimated payments in the 2300s at a 3.99 and 4.99 fixed interest rate. Number 2, they always have the lowest interest rate around, and because of builder paid closing costs, you're going to save thousands of dollars on your out-of-pocket expenses. Number 3, would down payment assistance help? If so, there's an internal down payment program and the interest rate is lower than all down payment programs around. Number 4, working on improving your credit and want a free game plan to help you out. Personally, I love the Home Buyers Club because it has helped me help dozens of buyers work on getting into their homes with no credit repair needed. And finally, it's one of few communities that actually has a swimming pool, playground, and walking trails. You actually get more than just a home. You'll be moving into a community. All right, now let's take a look at the best 3 floor plans. Remember, let me know, comment below and let me know which one feels most like home. Home number 1 is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, over 2,300 square foot home. This is the best price home and it is my favorite. Inside, you'll have a large island, open floor plan for entertaining, and an upstairs sanctuary that's huge. Take a look. Home number 2 is a 5-bed, 3-bath, over 2,500 square foot home. Now, this home gives you everything you need for the whole family to actually feel at home. Downstairs flex space, full bedroom and bathroom on the main level, upstairs loft, and a nice owner sanctuary to settle in after long days. Take a look. Home number 3 is the largest home available at 2,600 square feet. This 4-bed, 2.5-bath home is perfect for those who want separate dining, living, and a family room. It's unique with an upstairs open foyer, and the owner's quarters is the biggest of them all. Whew. Take a look. So, what did you think of this home? Comment below and let me know. Now, even if you're just looking, exploring your options, or even have questions, it is okay to schedule a tour or even a one-on-one convo to chat about your options. These homes are a lot bigger and better in person, and I'd be happy to give you a new home game plan. In the meantime, here's a few more videos for you to enjoy.